Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are well. Okay, we have completed this lesson, but not yet completed classwork note and also book exercise. Some parts are there. Today we will do. Okay, children? All of you take your book, page number 46. All of you take your book, page number 46. First of all, we will see tick the correct answer. We will see tick the correct answer. I read the first question. Listen carefully. In hilly areas, the trees are conical in shape so that dash. 4 answer is given. Snow slides off easily. They can carry out photosynthesis easily. They can have large cones. Water loss can be prevented. Which is the correct answer? Can you find? Will you find the answer, children? Can you find the answer? Snow slides off easily. Snow slides off easily. So the answer is A. Then second question. One feature of submerged plants is that they have many stomata. They do not have stomata. Their leaves are broad. They have stems with air pockets. They have one feature of submerged plants. So which is the correct answer? They do not have stomata. Answer B. Okay. Third one. Pitcher plant or carnivorous because dash. They do not have green leaves. They do not have stomata. They trap insects and consume them. They grow in water. So, which is the correct answer? Pitcher plant or carnivorous. Already we know pitcher plant is an example of insectivorous plant. So, they trap insects and consume them. So, the answer is C. Next, sunken stomata are found in dash. Coastal plants, deciduous plants, desert plants, insectivorous plants. Coastal plants, desert plants, deciduous plants, insectivorous plants. So which plant has sunken stomata? Desert plant. So answer is C. Answer is C. Okay. I read the question with the answer once again. Snow slides off easily. Snow slides off easily. First question. In hilly areas, the trees are conical in shape so that snow slides off easily. Second one feature of submerged plants is that they do not have stomata. Third one, pitcher plants are carnivorous because they trap insects and consume them. So answer is C. Fourth one, sunken stomata are found in desert plants. Okay. So the answer is C. Okay, children. Then we will see the next part. Very short answer type question. So all of you take your classwork note and get ready for writing. Okay, children. First of all, we will see new words. First of all, we will see new words. Okay. Terrestrial, write this heading, new words. 5 new words. I have given 5 new words. Take your classwork note soon. Write this fast. Sharp your pencil. So first one, terrestrial plants. TERRESTRIAL, terrestrial. Plants. PLANTS, plants. Terrestrial plants. நிலப்பரப்பு தாவரங்கள். நிலப்பரப்பு தாவரங்கள். I read it again. Terrestrial plants. TERRESTRIAL. Terrestrial plants. 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 Terrestrial plants. நிலப்பரப்பு தாவரங்கள். Second one, fungi. 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 பூஞ்சை. Okay. பூஞ்சை. Write neatly. Listen carefully. Read and write. Fungi. FUNGI. In Tamil word, பூஞ்சை. Then aquatic plants. AQUATIZ. Aquatic plants. PLANTS. Aquatic plants. நீர்வாழ் தாவரங்கள். நீர்வாழ் தாவரங்கள். Aquatic plants. நீர்வாழ் தாவரங்கள். Fourth one, habitat. 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 வாழ்விடம். Habitat. 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 வாழ்விடம். 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 Fifth one, direct effect. Direct effect. நேரடி விளைவு. நேரடி விளைவு. Direct effect. நேரடி விளைவு. Okay. Now I read it again. Terrestrial plants. நிலப்பரப்பு தாவரங்கள். Fungi. பூஞ்சை. Aquatic plants. நீர்வாழ் தாவரங்கள். Habitat. வாழ்விடம். Direct effect. நேரடி விளைவு. Okay. Then you write this fast. Did you write, children? Write fast. Then very short answer type questions. Very short, and write this heading. Very short answer type questions. Very short answer type question. Questions are in page number 47. First one, name a deciduous tree. NAME. Name a deciduous tree. DECIDUOUS. Deciduous tree. Okay. Banyan, mango, ashok, peepal, sal and teak. Banyan. 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 Mango. 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 Ashok. Ashoka tree. Okay. Ashok. ASKHOK. ASHOK. Peepal. PEPAL. Peepal. PEPAL. Peepal. Sal. 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 And teak. TEAK. Okay. Name a deciduous tree. Name a deciduous tree. Banyan, mango, ashok, peepal, sal and teak. Okay. Then second one, name two plants of grass family that give us cereals. Name two plants of grass family that give us cereals. Name two plants of grass family that give us cereals, wheat and rice. WHEAT, wheat. Rice, RICE, rice. Name two plants of grass family that give us cereals, wheat and rice. Okay, you have completed two questions. The next question, name two insectivorous plants. Name two insectivorous plants. INSECTIVOROUS, insectivorous plants. PLANTS, plants. Name two insectivorous plants. Venus flytrap, VENUS, Venus flytrap, FLY, fly trap, TRAP. Then pitcher plant, PITCHER, pitcher plant, PLANT, pitcher plant. Okay children. Then fourth one, fourth question, question number 4. Where would you find mangrove trees? Where would you find mangrove trees? Mangrove, MANGROVE, mangrove trees. Where would you find mangrove trees? Mangrove are the only trees. Mangrove are the only trees that are capable of thriving in salt water. They form unique intertidal at the edge of land and sea, that is North and South America. Mangrove are the only trees that are capable of thriving in salt water. They form unique intertidal at the edge of land and sea, that is North and South America. Are you writing children? Capable, CAPABLE. Unique, UNIQUE, unique. Okay, you read with me. Where would you find mangrove trees? Where would you find mangrove trees? Mangrove are the only trees that are capable of thriving in salt water. They form unique intertidal at the edge of land and sea, that is North and South America. Okay, study them. Next side heading, short answer type questions. Short answer type questions. Okay, write this heading, short answer type questions. First one, what is a habitat? Write this heading, short answer type questions. Very short answer type question we have written. Now short answer type questions. What is a habitat? Name different habitat. Okay, the natural home of an animal, plant or other organism. Okay, வாழிடம், habitat என்று சொன்னால் வாழிடம். So the natural home of an animal, plant or other organisms. name different habitat: terrestrial habitat, aquatic habitat. Terrestrial, TERRESTRIAL, terrestrial. Okay. Aquatic, AQUATIC, aquatic. Terrestrial, aquatic. Okay, children. Now I read this again. What is a habitat? Name different habitat: the natural home of an animal, plant, or other organisms. Terrestrial, aquatic. Okay. Then second one. What are breathing roots? What are breathing roots? Root tips do not get air. They grow above the soil and water to breathe air. These roots are called breathing roots. These roots are called breathing roots. Listen carefully. What are breathing roots? What are breathing roots? Root tips do not get air. They grow above the soil and water to breathe air. These roots are called breathing roots. I read it again. You write fast. You read and write. You also read and write. What are breathing roots? What are breathing roots? Root tips do not get air. Root tips verin mudichi. Root tips, TIPS. Root tips do not get air. They grow above the soil and water to breathe air. Breathe, BREATHE, breathe. Air, AIR. These roots are called breathing roots. These roots are called breathing roots. BREATHING, breathing roots, or WOTS. Okay, children. Once again, I read it. Root tips do not get air. They grow above the soil and water to breathe air. These roots are called breathing roots. Okay. Then next question. Name 3 types of aquatic plants with an examples of each. Name 3 types of aquatic plants with an example of each. Name 3 types of aquatic plants with an example of each. Adaptation in floating plants. Example: water hyacinth, duckweed. Adaptation in floating plants. Adaptation in floating plants. ADAPTATION, adaptation. In floating, FLOATING, floating plants, PLANTS, plants. Adaptation in floating plants. Example: water hyacinth, duckweed. WATER, water hyacinth, 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 water hyacinth. Duckweed, DUCKWEED, duckweed. Adaptation in fixed plants. Adaptation in fixed plants. ADAPTATION, adaptation in fixed plants. FIXED, PLANTS, adaptation in fixed plants. Example, lotus, water lily. LOTUS, lotus, water lily. WATER, water lily. LILY, adaptation in fixed plants. Lotus, water lily. Adaptation in submerged plants. Adaptation in submerged plants. Hydrilla tape grass. Hydrilla tape grass. Hydrilla, spelling HYDRILLA. Hydrilla tape grass. TAPE, tape grass. GRASS. Did you write, children? Okay, I read it again. You listen carefully. Name 3 types of aquatic plants with an example of each. Adaptation in floating plants. Example, water hyacinth, duckweed. Then adaptation in fixed plants. Example, lotus, water lily. Adaptation in submerged plants. Hydrilla tape grass. Okay, we will go to the next one. Fourth one, how does a pitcher plant eat insect? How does a pitcher plant eat insects? Write this fast. Pitcher plant has hollow jar-like leaves that are filled with nectar. The leaves also have a lid. Insects are attracted to nectar. As soon as an insect sits on it, the lid closes and the insect gets trapped inside the leaf. The insect is digested inside the leaf. Write this fast, children. Write this fast. How does a pitcher plant eat insects? How does a pitcher plant eat insects? Pitcher plant has hollow jar-like leaves that are filled with nectar. NECTAR, nectar. The leaves also have a lid. LID, lid. Insects are attracted to nectar. Insects are attracted to nectar. NECTAR, nectar. As soon as an insect sits on it, the lid closes and the insect gets trapped inside the leaf. The insect is digested inside the leaf. Okay, did you write, children? We'll go to the next question. Long answer type questions. Long answer type questions. First one, you write this question in small letter. First letter should be in capital. Okay, write the adopted features of plants. Write the adopted features of plants that grow on hilly areas. Write the adopted features of plants that grow on hilly areas. The sloping, within the put quotation mark, okay? The sloping shape of trees makes the snow slip off from branches easily. The sloping shape of trees makes the snow slip off from branches easily. The leaves are needle shaped with thick coating. The leaves are needle shaped with thick coating. Third point, conifer trees do not shed their leaves throughout the year. Listen carefully. Write the adapted features of plants that grow on hilly areas. First point, the sloping shape of trees makes the snow slip off from branches easily. Second one, the leaves are needle shaped with thick coating. Third one, conifer trees do not shed their leaves throughout the year. Sloping spelling SLOPING. Slip off SLIPOFF. Slip off OFF. Okay. Branches BRANCHES. Branches. Easily EASILY. Easily. Conifer trees CONIFER. Conifer trees TREES. Shed SHED. Shed. Throughout THROUGHOUT. Throughout. Okay. Next question. How do desert plants prevent loss of water? How do they conserve water? Prevent the loss of water. The leaves of cactus plants are modified into spines. Prevent the loss of water. The leaves of cactus plants are modified into spines. Okay. Then, how do they conserve water? How do they conserve water? Desert plants conserve water by minimizing water loss through the surface of their leaves. Minimizing water loss through the surface of their leaves. Many have the ability to close leaf pores called stomata, through which gas and water are exchanged during drought conditions. Listen carefully. Desert plants conserve water by minimizing minimizing water loss through the surface of their leaves. Many have the ability to close leaf pores called stomata, through which gas and water are exchanged during drought conditions. Drought, DROUGHT, drought conditions. Okay. Go to the next question. Write the uses of plants of grass family. Write the uses of plants of grass family. Listen. People have used grasses for a long time. People eat parts of grasses. Corn, wheat, barley, oats, rice, and millet or cereals. Common grains whose seeds are used for food and to make alcohol, such as beer. Sugar comes from sugarcane, which is also a plant in the grass family. Write fast, children. People have used grasses for a long time. People eat parts of grasses, corn, wheat, barley, oats, rice and millet or cereals. Corn, C-O-R-N, corn. Wheat, W-H-E-A-T, wheat. Barley, B-A-R-L-E-Y. Oats, O-A-T-S, oats. Rice, R-I-C-E, rice. Millet, M-I-L-L-E-T, millet. Or cereals, C-E-R-E-A-L-S. Common grains whose seeds are used for food and to make alcohol. A-L-C-O-H-O-L, such as beer. Okay. Sugar comes from sugar canes. S-U-G-A-R, sugar cane, C-A-N-E, which is also a plant in the grass family. Okay. Next, a long question. How do fungi obtain their food? How do fungi obtain their food? This is the last question. Fungi do not have chlorophyll. C-H-L-O-R-O-P-H-Y-L-L. Therefore, they depend on other organisms for their food. They grow on other plants and absorb their nutrients. They are therefore parasitic. They also absorb nutrients from dead and decaying plants, animals. They are therefore saprotrophs as well. Okay. Chlorophyll, spelling C-H-L-O-R-O-P-H-Y-L-L, chlorophyll. Organisms, O-O-G-A-N-I-S-M-S, organisms. Nutrients, N-U-T-R-I-E-N-T-S, nutrients. Parasitic, P-A-R-A-S-I-T-I-C, parasitic. Absorb, A-B-S-O-R-B, absorb. Decaying plants, D-E-C-A-Y-I-N-G, decaying plants and animals. Therefore, saprotrophs, S-A-P-R-O-T-R-O-P-H-S. Okay, I will read it again. You also read with me. How do fungi obtain their food? Fungi do not have chlorophyll. Therefore, they depend on other organisms for their food. They grow on other plants and absorb their nutrients. They are therefore parasitic. They also absorb nutrients from dead and decaying plants, animals. They are therefore saprotrophs as well. Okay. Then I'm homework. All of you take a homework. All of you take a homework note. Write the homework question. Fast. Take fast. Only 2 questions. Define coniferous tree. Define coniferous tree. C-O-N-I-F-E-R-O-U-S. Define coniferous tree. Second question. What is called adaptation? What is called adaptation? Okay.